So right here I have what I'm going to plant for the first time. Pink hallelujah or pink amaranth. Grow your own productive food forest? No. Right now.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. A warm welcome to all of you, my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my faithful gardening family, and shout out to you, my channel members. I appreciate you. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Currently I have a thriving food forest and I'm so grateful. It may not have everything right now producing, but it is getting there. Time and patience does it. Now, really and truly, I brought this out this evening to plant them, but I'm super tired. When I say I'm super tired, I'm super tired. I'm not going to bother to plant them out this evening. I'm going to try my very best for tomorrow evening. If it rains tonight, I'm going to watch the weather and see. If it rains tonight and it's going to rain tomorrow, I may plant them out in the morning, God's willing. But as for right now, I can't go anymore. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm super tired. I'm still going to share with you all that I'm going to plant out because I don't think I'm going to plant them out with you on camera. Some of these I'm not sure what they are. Like I may know what the plants are, but like the variety I'm not sure, because these containers, what happened, because I reuse the soil, you find that I have a lot of volunteers right here, because some of the plants that I really sowed inside here I already planted them out, but I just allow the volunteers to just come up. So right here I have what I'm going to plant for the first time. Pink hallelujah or pink amaranth. So I got these babies. Well, I got the seeds from Blessings from the Garden, Soraya and Lataya. Big up yourself. Thank you so much again. Alright, I've never grown pink hallelujah. Never. I am so grateful to try them in my garden for the first time. These are some red ones. I'm going to take it closer so you can actually see everything that I have right here. Well, I think I'm going to give away some of these inside here, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to plant out everything. No, there's this person that wants to grow some food. I'm going to set up one of these containers with a variety of stuff that I have right here, so, and also some stuff that I didn't bring around. Alright, so in this container, no, I know that this is a pepper. I'm not sure what it is. It does look like a banana pepper to me. Your thoughts? I see that this is a marigold right here. I know that this is a tomato, but I don't know what variety it is. I think this looks like it looks like celery to me. Yeah, these leaves looks like celery. When they were much younger, they look like parsley, but look at them, guys. Those look like celery, don't it? These are basil. These were deliberately planted. And these right here, these are beetroots. These were also deliberately planted. Now I was waiting on some true leaves because I know that they're resilient, but well, I'm not even going to blame them, because really and truly it was the rains that we were getting that destroyed the ones that I had before. Now these, I thought they were actually turnips, you know, and they are actually spinach. So I'm going to give away most of these spinach right here, if not all, because look at all of those right there. All of those spinaches, because I thought these were turnips, so I'm going to have to sow me some turnips now. And these are celery again. I don't know what happened to be on the celery. Like, I had it in so many soil. So these are celery right here again, along with the spinaches. I show you the red color already. This is the pink one up close and personal. Well, the leaves are green, but the stem is pink. I don't know what this is right here, so I think that's a weed. I don't know what that is. And this right here is a pepper. I'm not sure what pepper it is. It looks like a sweet pepper or a bell pepper. But I'm not sure. This is a pink color right here. I don't even know why it's in there, so I guess when I'm sowing seed and so. And this is a sorrel. Yeah, by the looks of this is a sorrel. This is a tomato, that is obvious. And these look like spinaches again. Yeah, this is a spinach, tender green. No, this look like romaine lettuce. These are romaine lettuce. Yeah, this is a romaine lettuce right here. This one too. This look like one too. Yeah, man. I'm going to get these in the soil. This look like a little parsley right here, so this doesn't look like the celery. Well, it could be celery too. It could be celery right there. This is definitely an eggplant. This is a pepper. This is definitely a pepper, but it looks like some hot pepper or something. And this is definitely a sorrel. No, this is what? Is this a dill? I'm not even sure. Is it a dill, y'all? What is this? Alright, so this is a eggplant. This is a eggplant. This is a eggplant. Oh, these are, you know, I thought these were some dandelions, but I'm not realizing that these are actually romaine lettuce. These are romaine lettuce, man. Romaine lettuce. And this is a zinnia. One and only in the jungle. I need to sow some zinnia. I need to sow some zinnia and some marigold. I need to. Alright, so yeah, I need to get these all in the soil except for the ones that I'm going to take out to give away. I think I'm going to give away this bell pepper, this banana pepper. I'm going to give away the tomato, basil, some of these, what's it called again? Spinaches. I'm going to give away maybe 2 of this red color, and I'm going to give away this romaine lettuce. I'm going to give away 2 of these eggplants. I don't think I'm going to give away any of my beetroots. What I'll do is to give the person some seeds. I think this is lettuce right here as well. Looks like lettuce. It looks like lettuce to me. If it's not lettuce, it's dandelion. I need to sow the box of dandelion. Yeah, I'm going to give away celery as well. I'm going to give away the ones that are big, like these ones. If they are not big, I'm going to let them stay. Or put the stuff that I'm not going to plant out in one container. Like the baby stuff, yeah, in one container, so I can get back my containers to grow me some more food. So that's my mission, to grow as much as I can, because as you can see, I'm in competition with the pestilence. I have to grow more than enough in order to be able to eat in this place right here. That's what I noticed. Yeah, so I'm doing just that. So grow you your own productive food forest, y'all. If I'm doing it, you can do it just the same. Yeah, So I'm going to leave you here for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.